Good day, grade 8 students. I hope we able to craft your business idea related to cookery last week. That business idea will be used as you go through this course. Since we are done with the preliminaries of the course, let us now move with the first lesson of this exploratory course. For lesson 1, so we're gonna discuss the use and maintenance of kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. At the end of the week, you need to apply the knowledge you've learned through the major activity of the week, which is demonstration or documentation report in using and maintaining kitchen tools needed for your business idea. And here are the different concepts that you need to learn in relation to the activity. First, kitchen tools, equipment, and utensils can be found on pages 20 to 29 of your TLE book. Maintenance of kitchen tools and equipment on pages 33 to 35. And third one is cleaning materials, tools, and equipment. Before continuing this video, make sure that you have accomplished already the kitchen inspection or the explore activity. On that task, you were asked to roam around your kitchen and identify at least 10 different items used in food preparation and or cleaning the kitchen premises. And the question, students, is, have you experienced using and cleaning them before? And get ready to share your answers during our synchronous class. Let us first identify the different kitchen tools, equipment, and utensils. But before that, let us first differentiate these two terms, tools and equipment. And tools, so as you can see, those are handheld devices that we can operate using our hands only, without the use of electricity like knife and chopping board. However, we have here equipment, and equipment is electrically operated, making the task easier, like a blender. One of the factors that affect the transfer of heat is the materials the cookingwares were made of, and the kitchen tools and utensils can be made of any of the following. First, aluminum and stainless steel. Aluminum, it is a lightweight and less expensive but provides heat distribution at any temperature. On the other hand, stainless steel, it is considered as the most popular due to its durability, non-reaction to acidic food, and non-discoloration, but it is more expensive. In addition, we also have cast iron, ceramic or heat-proof glass. For the cast iron, it is considered as the favorite material of chefs in the kitchen because of its ability to distribute heat evenly. The disadvantage of this is that it just breaks easily when dropped and rusts if not kept properly. And ceramic or heat-proof glass, they are used for baking dishes and casseroles that conducts heat slowly and evenly. We also have here Teflon and plastic. So Teflon, it is a special coating inside pots and pans to prevent food from sticking to the pan. And plastic, so it is considered as durable, inexpensive, and long-lasting, and commonly used in bowls, trays, canisters, plates, and the likes. And now let us identify the different and the common kitchen tools and utensils found in your kitchen. So first we have a colander. And a colander, it is used in washing vegetables and straining pastas. We also have knives and chopping board, they always comes together. And kitchen knives, they are used to peel, chop, or slice raw materials, and it comes along with a chopping board, wherein it is where the meat and other vegetables or ingredients can be cut. We have here tongs, which is used to pick and handle foods. A pasta spoon, which is used to transfer cooked pasta to a serving plate. Then a soup ladle, which is used for portioning and serving liquids like soup. And lastly, a food turner for turning burger patties and other ingredients. Then we have here on the screen a kitchen shears, which is used for cutting food packages and meat like bacons. And a pastry wheel, commonly used to cut pastry products and bake pizza. And a peeler, which is used for peeling vegetables and fruits. And a can opener, which is used to open cans and lids. We have here potato masher, which is used for mashing cooked vegetables like carrots and potatoes. A funnel, which is used to fill jars to avoid spills. And a grater, which is used to grate, shred, slice foods like cheese and carrots. Now we have here on the screen a baster brush that is used for battering the top part of the bread and baked goods after taking them out of the oven. Then a garlic press that is used for crushing garlic cloves, and a scooper that is used for portioning soft solid foods like ice cream. Now we have here on the screen 4 different cooking wares, which includes first a saucepan. And as you can see on the image, a saucepan is shallower than a stock pot that makes stirring easier, and it is ideal for sauces and soup. Then we have here a stock pot, which is ideal for cooking items with large quantities of liquids like stocks. And a saute pan, which is used for sauteing and frying meat, fish, and vegetables. And lastly, we have here a saucepan that is used or typically used for cooking sauces. Now, let us discuss some of the kitchen equipment. First on the screen is a blender that is used for mixing and puring liquids like vegetables and fruits, and a deep fryer that is used to cook food in large quantities of fat and oil like chickens and fries. We also have mixer, and mixer is used to mix and process foods like egg, flour, and butter. And an oven that is used to heat, reheat, and bake food items like cakes and bake mac. Now we also have here some of the measuring devices used in cooking. So first is a measuring spoon that is used for measuring small quantity or amount of ingredients like seasonings and spices. Then a measuring cup that is used to measure dry ingredients like flour and sugar. Then a scale or kitchen scale that is used to measure the weight of ingredients like meat. Now that we are done discussing the different tools, students, please be reminded of this idea. Knowledge on the proper use of kitchen tools and equipment makes the work in food service industry more accurate, easier, and faster. For the second part of our discussion, we'll focus on the maintenance of kitchen tools and equipment. And here are the different concepts that we will discuss. First, cleaning versus sanitizing. Then, cleaning agents and supplies. And third one, cleaning, sanitizing, and storing tools and equipment. Now let us differentiate cleaning and sanitizing. So cleaning, it is the process of removing food and other types of dirt from the surface. It is more of the visible dirt. Then sanitizing, it is the process of disinfecting tools and equipment or eliminating those items that are invisible or we cannot see using our bare eyes, just like microorganisms, like bacteria that may cause diseases. In cleaning the different kitchen tools, equipment, and even kitchen premises, you must use an appropriate cleaning agents, and here are some of them. First, detergent, then we also have solvent cleaner. And detergent, it is used to soften dirt like dishwashing liquid, paste, and powder. Then a solvent cleaner, it is used to remove burnt grease or fat, commonly used in ovens, grills, and range. We also have here acid cleaner and abrasive. So acid cleaner, it is used to remove mineral deposits, just like on the sample. Then abrasive, that is used to remove heavy accumulations of soils. And make sure students, in using abrasives, make sure to be very careful to avoid damaging the surface being cleaned. Knowing the cleaning agents is not enough. Thus, you must also be knowledgeable of the cleaning equipment, supplies, and materials that you must use. So, which includes of the following. So first, a wiping cloths, sponges, scouring pads, brushes, soap dish, sink strainer, dish towel, draining racks, and dish washer. Cleaning supplies and materials. So let us discuss this one by one. Starting with wiping cloths. And wiping cloths, it is used to wipe wood spills and clean countertops or kitchen surfaces. Then scouring pads, that is used in cleaning heavily soiled equipment, pots and pans. It can be metal or nylon. Then we have sponges, that is used to wash dishes and sometimes used in place in wiping cloths in cleaning surfaces. Then lastly, we have brushes. And brushes, it is used to apply more pressure than wiping cloths and its bristles help loosen soil. Soap dish. It is used to hold soap or dishwashing so that the sink is neat all the time. Then, a sink strainer. It is used to control or hold dirt that will become a cause of clog in the sink. Then dish towel, that is used in drying and wiping tools, utensils, and equipment before using and storing them. Then we have the draining rack, that is used to hold tools after washing to facilitate draining. Now we have here a cleaning equipment which is referred as dishwasher. This machine is used to automatically wash the different tools and utensils used in cooking and or serving foods. Remember students that cleaning is not enough, so you must also sanitize all the kitchen tools, utensils, and equipment after and before using them. And we have here two different methods in sanitizing them, through heat and through chemicals. Using heat, so we have steaming, using hot water, and using hot air. In using hot water, so you must expose the tools in at least 30 seconds in a hot water. In using hot air, so it must be exposed to 82.22 Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. Then, when using chemicals like chlorine and iodine, please be reminded of the following considerations. So first, the concentration of the chemical, the temperature, and the contact time. So it is to properly sanitize each tools and equipment. Now that we are done discussing the different tools, the cleaning agents, and supplies, so let us now proceed with the different guidelines in cleaning, sanitizing, and storing cooking tools and equipment. So those guidelines could help you to perform your task efficiently. First, so soak all the used bowls, spatulas, and other utensils in a tub of warm water and add a small amount of dishwashing detergents to help start the cleaning method. Second, so use a damp washcloth to wipe all the cake batter from the mixer and mixer accessories. Wipe all as well any stray spatter from the countertops. And since a mixer is an electrical equipment, thus you cannot directly wash it using water, except for the accessories. Thus, using damp cloth will be the best in cleaning it. To avoid contamination and or recontamination, make sure to return the equipment and tools in their designated storage spaces. Make sure that they are placed in accessible storage area. Kitchen tools and utensils can also be washed using dishwasher only if they are safe to be placed inside. For example, cast iron skillet, copper pots, and pans, wooden tools and utensils, they are not safe to be placed inside the dishwasher. So make sure to identify and examine all the tools and utensils na iyong ilalagay in your dishwasher to make sure na it will not damage the dishwasher machine and or it will not damage the different kitchen tools and utensils being cleaned on that machine. Students, please be reminded as well of the following general rules in using and cleaning kitchen equipment. First, check the electrical equipment. Second, handle the equipment properly. Third, store the equipment properly. Fourth, read the manual carefully because each of the equipment have their own manual. Then fifth, perform preventive and corrective maintenance if necessary. In performing your activity, please be guided and reminded with this idea that properly cleaning, sanitizing, and storing kitchen utensils, tools, and equipment help in preventing contamination. That would be all for this week. So thank you so much for watching this video discussion. Please accomplish your Genyo task and have fun in using, cleaning, and sanitizing kitchen tools in your hands-on activity for this week. Thank you so much again and goodbye.